Hello, peeps. I'm here again because I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm a dinosaur with my friends until we're not dinosaurs. Anyways, we're going to have to press this button because that's how we live. We live by pressing buttons. And maybe something good will happen, or we will just turn into dinosaurs like this thing.
Incoming lasers!
Oh no, incoming lasers. Oof, 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 oof. I'm not good at parkour! I'm not good at parkour! I did it though! And there's still people that are really tiny and small still. The tiniest survivors. I'm stuck too. Don't worry, I'm stuck too. Okay, I just got stuck. But no one cares. Because I'm an epic person.
I forgot what to do.
It's floating.
Yes. Quest, but I don't know how. Oh no, he disappeared.
Ooh.
Ah!
Heck.
No.
Press button.
Okay.
Let's press. Oh no, snowballs.
Watch out for the snowballs.
Oh, dude, those are huge. So let's just do next one. Oof, no.
I'm
I'm
not done.
It's laser. Oh, I was trying to shoot the person that was next to you. Don't. Oh, don't worry. I'm lagging too. I just realized that.
Well, this girl and I are fighting.
I don't know who lost or who won. Oh, we just
Oh,
turned
we're
small
tiny.
again. Yes, we're tiny. Now let's just wait for the next one. Okay, come on. Just press it.
I'm so tiny. I touched it, and I was trying to stop it, and I'm now
Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna go off this sleep. Darn, it is so hard to do stuff when you're tiny. I was a tiny human struggling to survive, and now I almost died again and again. But I'm waiting for the potatoes to arrive so I don't die again. Yay! It's just
Where even is the hidden?
Oh, it's up
It's
there.
on the top. That's not hidden.
Oh, yeah, I'm pretty sure the chest was supposed to be for that thing. Oh no! Ah! Oh no! Don't! It's so much easier to do a spleef when you're actually big.
This is the worst game of lag.
Oof. I bet I have worse lag than you do. Because my computer is acting very up today. I can't even play Royal High.
Oh, server.
Yes, we're big now.
Oh,
Big.
why are you so big? What's that? I hate being big. Now I can see everything. That I can still get coins. And no one would let us press the button. Ooh, I want to slide it down.
It's definitely not gonna kill
I
us.
want to go on the top.
Oh, I'm not gonna slide down that thing. Actually, I'm not. Okay, I'll score a goal.
I'll score a goal. I scored a goal. It's me. I'm the goal. Yeah, we're trying to push it in. Oh no!
Oof, I almost fell off the edge. Oh, man. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
I'm just a small person. I will.
Oh, yeah, okay.
No! You're so
I'm-
lucky.
But I'm big. Oh, no, I stopped getting walk speed.
Whoa.
I'm already big, so. Okay, yeah, no. I just
What?
died.
I literally fell off.
I died because I was just dumb.
like missed it.
And she died. Ew, what happened to the button? The button was like,
Ew, what happened to the button?
I just said that. Oof, I almost died. Okay, that took longer than you think it did.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
I clicked it.
Knowledge. Knowledge.
Oh,
I have knowledge! I have the knowledge!
Knowledge.
Yeah, we're knowledge.
Knowledge.
We're smart.
Yes.
No, I was supposed to be not smart, not small and smart. Let me be big again, so that I don't have to be this small. So now everything's slippery. The only thing that's easy to do is jumping.
And when you jump, it stops being so slippery for some reason.
Yeah, it's probably to make us faster. But,
What?
what do you mean, huh?
Oh,
It's on fire, it's exploding.
okay.
Oh, I graduated, and now I'm stupid again.
I died by a potato.
Oh, the blaze.
That's the worst way to die. Okay, this is
But the outside.
yeah.
Huh? Huh?
It just exploded.
Yeah, it's exploding.
Okay. So we must
no.
press the button again.
Careful. That's the
But I will journey the cliff. I know I can do it.
Oh, my friend is there. I got it. I got the chest.
I didn't. I need the chest. Darn. I lost
Oh.
the chest. Oh well. This is going to be the end of the video because I don't know what else to do. Okay?
I have some boost to win. Wow. I'm like, was that this is like yesterday.